Alright, welcome to part 2 of this unboxing. As you can see here, I got a lot of stickers here that you can put on your planes with Navy and some cool decorations. 365, okay, cool. Awesome. And then I also got 2 of these landing gear systems, and I got these ones because I needed one of these to go on my Volantics because I lost the front landing gear, and hopefully this will work, and also can use it for something else, but it looks pretty good. I'm happy about that. I also got 2 of these landing gear systems to see if any of these work for other of the planes. It's always good to have extras. Thanks for watching, and in the next one we will unpack some of the other boxes that are in here.